Hello everybody. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get a scientific calculator for Windows. So to start off is all Windows versions come with the calculator. There we go. So you have your standardized calculator, but you need a scientific one. Here's how you go get that. And yes, I am going to go to Softpedia again. As I stated, I do get a lot of things from there because it's easier to get it. So, save the state I was in. Sorry, this is a brand new install that I did. So what I'm going to do, and now you're going to type calculator. So it comes up with that, and then you're going to go in here and you go from soft. You click the first one. So you're here. So now what you do is you click download, and the only download mirror is a US download mirror. So I'm going to do it on the desktop. Okay, so it is done. I don't see the folder icon yet, which means there we go. So now I'm going to drag this over here. This is a scientific calculator. And there we go. And it works. You have the scientific functions. And this is known as what's portable. So basically, I could put this on a flash drive and launch it from a flash drive or an external hard drive. I know they have some for phones, but this isn't what this video is about. This is basically you need something because you're doing homework for a science class. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.